This is an instructional video on how to put up a Lotus Belle tent. This particular model is a 13-foot or 4-meter, for those of you using the metric system, Lotus Belle Outback tent. This tent is similar in design to a bell tent and a yurt, and works on the principle of 10. So you have 10 ground sheet stakes, 2 sets of 10 guy line stakes, 10 supporting poles, 10 ropes for the lower walls, 10 ropes for the upper walls, and 10 ropes for the roof canvas. The tent itself has 2 canvases, the wall canvas and the roof canvas, and it also has a 3-piece center pole. Then it all folds down and fits into the canvas duffel bag. The first time you put the tent up, you need to tie the guy lines to the tent. The longest guy lines are for the upper walls, the medium guy lines are for the lower walls, and the shortest guy lines are for the roof canvas. Before you start, make sure to find a flat surface, which is about 23 feet wide and 23 feet long, or 7 by 7 meters. You can adjust the guy ropes if you can't quite make that space. First, lay the ground sheet out. Stake the 10 ground sheet stakes, making sure you're not pulling the elastic out too much. Next, move the wall canvas onto the ground sheet. Determine where you want the entrance to be, and line the door up with the 2 front ground sheet stakes. Next, assemble the 10 supporting poles. You'll notice there are 2 pockets for each pole, one at the top and one at the bottom. Hold the pole facing away from you and place it into the bottom pole pocket, and then the top. Then rotate the pole into the canvas so it goes with the curve of the tent. Next, you Velcro it into place. Do this for all 10 of the tent poles. Next, it's time to mark out and hammer in the guy line stakes. Use 1 pole length and hammer in the stakes at a 40-degree angle. If you're on particularly soft ground, angle the stakes at 60 degrees and hammer the stakes right in so it's not sticking out. The roof stakes go another 3/4 of the pole out. Once you have all the stakes hammered down, you can start erecting the tent. Simply attach the guy lines at the top and bottom of the canvas to the first row of stakes. Don't make them too tight yet, you will want to adjust them at the end. Go ahead and do this for all 10 corners. Now that you have all the walls up, go inside the tent and connect all the inside hooks to the ground sheet. Once this is complete, it's time to put the roof on. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is find the Lotus Belle logo on the roof, as it should go directly over the doorway because the arch is a little higher here. Then you take the canvas top into the middle of the tent and throw 3 of the tentacles over the back side. Now you can go outside the tent and connect these to the outside row of ground stakes. Finally, go inside and throw the remaining tentacles over and attach them to the ground stakes. Next, attach the 3 pieces of wooden center poles to form 1 long center pole and thread this up through the middle. You can now attach the Velcro, which makes the roof and the wall canvases meet. Once you've done this for all of the sides, you can put the center pole on its coaster. Last step, go around and tighten up all the guy lines and make sure everything is in line. Readjust if needed. That's it. You are now set up and ready to enjoy your incredible Lotus Belle tent.